Hi everybody. Now, if you've watched my YouTube channel for any length of time, you'll probably know that I'm a bit of a sucker for a nice bag. Normally say something to do with cameras or that sort of thing, but you know, I do like a good bag. Now, the very kind people at Modoker, or more Modoker, I'm not quite sure how to say it, have sent me one of their I guess you'd call it a messenger bag, a gentleman's shoulder bag. And this is the first time I'm opening up. So I guess you could say this is an unboxing or an unbagging video. Now, I'll put the link to the Amazon link to where you can get these for yourself in YouTube's description down below. But what attracted me to Modoker, and to be honest, I get lots and lots of offers to review stuff like bags and various camera stuff and non-camera stuff. But what attracted me to these guys, and the reason why I said yes, is because this is a lovely heavyweight, well, actually medium weight, sort of canvas style messenger bag. And I just really like the look of it. You know, I'm a gentleman of a certain age, you know, well past 40, and you know, you really start to appreciate not always going for, you know, things, you know, like the black acrylic bags. And sometimes, you know, when you want to go taking photographs with a film camera like that, or maybe, you know, with your digital camera, you'll want something a little bit more low-key, or even, you know, when you're just using as a bag for going to work or going to meetings and things. Who wants to be there with, you know, the briefcase and stuff like that? And this really appealed to me. So, but this is the first time I'm looking at the bag, and what impresses me is, you know, we've got some very nice heavyweight zips. It's always important to me how soft it feels inside for things like camera lenses and laptops and stuff, and that feels very soft indeed. Let's have a feel inside there. Oh yeah, that is very nice. Let's have a look at the buckle. I like that kind of brass effect look. Nice flip over. I've got another compartment there for paperwork, and you can fit a small laptop in here as well, obviously a tablet or something. Right, let's have a look and a feel inside. Oh yeah, that is very, very nice. Feels like brushed cotton. And then we've also got another section there with the elastic band going over there. That's very good. Let's flip it over and have a look at the back again. Got another nice heavyweight zip along there, again very soft, again very important for me, softness, because you know I tend to put photography gear in and stuff like that. So nice shoulder strap, plenty of bulk. So there we go, my first unbagging and first look at the Modoker, what do they call it? Laptop messenger bag. I will put a link to Amazon in the YouTube description video. I love the colour, I love the feel. I can't wait to be taking this out in the field and see how it performs. That lovely, nice, wide strap. Looks like it should be very, very comfortable indeed. And the reason why I would want something like this is really when I'm going, not necessarily to work, because I don't take much to work, but I could just take it away to meetings. But really, it's when I'm going out doing photography stuff, and I don't want to take my full kit with me. I want something a little bit more incognito, if you like. So I don't look quite as much just like a photographer with a big black bag going on. You know, I can stick my film camera inside here with a few rolls of film, maybe a pack of sandwich, the odd packet of crisps, couple of cans of drink, and you know, go out and do that way. But there we go. So anyway, that's enough of my rambling. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, if you've enjoyed the video, hit like, put your questions and comments down below. I'll put a link to Amazon about the bag in the description, and well, I'll see you all again very, very soon.